coach.
Sorry. Hi.
Atau
Ya, Pak, kenapa? Di mana-mana, Pak. Ya. Habis. Jalan, Bang.
But this, I think, is not anymore about the last match. I think the 3 matches to go, 3 rounds. Our first main objective is to be with the first 4, and our second is to be as high as possible in the top 4. So that means we are at this moment second position. So I think that's where we'll be playing.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
And remember defensive about distance. How you walk and run to it. When you stop, when you press. You're the second of Indonesia.
Kalian adalah nomor 2-nya
You
Indonesia.
start this game as the second of Indonesia. And keep it.
Dan jaga.
From inside, not from that I mentioned or they mentioned. You have to do it now.
Kalian yang harus
You cannot just have to help each other.
Bantu aja satu sama lain.
Or you do it today, or you don't do it.
Kalian mau lakuin atau nggak lakuin? Terserah kalian.
Kalau kita anggap remeh, dari perjalanan awal saya ingatkan kembali, kita pasti menyesal. Bahkan tim lain akan tertawa kita. Kalau kita hanya hasil ini tidak bagus dan kita posisi di bawah sekarang. Tentunya kita mau dia tertawa atau tidak, pasti tidak mau. Hari ini habiskan, tidak usah pikir apapun. Selesaikan semua di pertandingan hari ini.
Doa selesai. Insyaallah, Allahu Akbar. Oke, masih dari lo foto.
Harga diri semua.
Harga diri.
Mau capek kram ini banyak pemain.
If you tired, if you cramp, many players.
Ayo. Bikin more than that. 3 poin.
3 points.
Menit awal, fokus menit awal. Posisinya di mana teman-teman yang bebas. Alex Martin gimana?
Tahu tapi nggak tahu. Sama-sama Latin, Brasil, Argentina. Bini aja cakep memang ya. Enak Pak. Woi.
Tambahan waktu pertandingan 2 menit. Dengan skor sementara Dewa United 1, Persita 0. Dewa Pergantian pemain mengikuti jiwa pemain nomor 7 Masa Ria Matari. Selanjutnya dua nomor 10 Edi Maulana Putri.
Bagus Dani. Alhamdulillah. Alhamdulillah. Yang penting poin.
Oleh Jojo.
3 poin. Akhirnya dapat juga.
Volta, Angelo, caralho! 3 points! Good. 3 points. 3 goals. Papa Sanu, alhamdulillah, man of the match.
Asis lagi, Pak.
3 poin, yang penting 3 poin, alhamdulillah.
3 poin. Lagi.
Loro malah tinggal. Alhamdulillah berkah amal latihan Robi. Top. Alta. Alhamdulillah 3 point. Bye.
Kasih 3 point. Let's go.
I think today was no choice.
Buat kita tadi nggak ada pilihan lain.
We had to win the game.
Kita harus menang pertandingan tadi.
We have to deal with the fact that that teams adapt to our way of playing.
Kita harus juga berhadapan dengan fakta lawan pasti akan menyesuaikan dengan cara main kita.
We get all the teams especially they defend.
Dapat lawan khususnya pasti mereka akan main bertahan.
So yeah, we have to be very patient in the build-up.
Jadi harus lebih sabar dalam build-up.
We have to create space.
Harus menciptakan ruang.
If you're a little bit in football, you know it.
Kalau kalian tahu sepak bola mungkin pasti tahu lah.
There are people always saying that we play back or we play to the players who are free in the last line.
Orang banyak bilang kita selalu kasih bola ke belakang, padahal tapi kita ngasih bolanya ke pemain yang bebas.
But the reason for that is that we try to create space in the opposite side of the pitch.
Alasan kita ngelakuin itu sebenarnya untuk menciptakan ruang di sisi lain lapangan.
In general, we try, of course, every time to break down the opponent with a kind of strategy.
Secara umum kita akan selalu membongkar pertahanan lawan.
Today we put Alta higher and Nico higher.
Hari ini kita taruh Alta sama Nico lebih tinggi.
And but we were very sometimes sloppy in losing the ball, and every time on the counter attack they more or less get dangerous.
Tapi terlalu gampang juga kita tadi hilang bola, jadi kita kena counter berbahaya dari lawan.
But I'm happy, of course, that we created the chances to win.
Senanglah dia menciptakan peluang untuk.
I'm happy for Septian.
Senang juga buat Septian.
He's always working in the training and working in the pitch. He has, of course, Alex is 23 goals top scorer.
Dia selalu kerja keras di lapangan, di pertandingan, dan kita tahu Alex.
But you scored now 8.
Berapa golmu sekarang?
8 goals.
8 ya.
So, and I think I'm very happy for him.
Dia senang buat dia.
Very happy with the players who came in the pitch, like Febi.
Senang juga pemain-pemain yang
Dani
masuk ke dalam.
Saputra.
Contoh si Febi sama Dani Saputra.
And you can see that we have talent in Indonesia.
Kita juga bisa lihat bahwa di Indonesia juga punya talenta.
And okay, 2 games to go.
Masih ada 2 pertandingan.
But we play every time as first.
Kita selalu main pertama awal.
So like last week.
Kayak minggu lalu.
We had a draw.
Kita draw.
The other teams think we can get closer to Dewa.
Tim lawan akhirnya mikir, oh kita bisa lebih dekat sama Dewa.
And now we get to 3 points, so they have to win. They know.
Sekarang kita ada 3 poin dan mereka sekarang mau nggak mau lawan harus menang juga.
Our main goal is to do it better than last year.
Tujuan kita adalah bikin lebih baik daripada musim lalu.
Last year we had 54 points.
Musim lalu poin kita 54.
14 wins.
14 menang.
This year we have 16 wins.
Sekarang kita menang 16.
And 57 points.
Poinnya sudah 57.
So one of the goals we achieved.
Jadi salah satu gol kita udah tercapai.
Now it's for us only where are we going to end?
Sekarang tinggal pertanyaannya di mana kita akan berakhir.
Our ambition is of course top 4.
Ambisi kita adalah 4 besar.
And our team ambition is top 2.
Dan ambisi tim top 2.
Not champion we will not be anymore.
Kalau jadi juara sih udah nggak bisa.
So I don't get that question anymore from
Jadi tolong jangan ditanya lagi.
So we will focus on getting the second position.
Jadi kita fokusnya untuk ada di peringkat.
And we already did better than last year.
Kita udah ngelakuin lebih baik daripada musim lalu.
So that pressure is gone.
Sekarang tekanan plusnya udah.
So now we can hunt for that position.
Sekarang saatnya kita mengejar posisi itu. Ayo guys.
Ya tentunya saya setuju dengan apa yang dikatakan pelatih. Yang pertama syukur atas hasil yang kita dapat hari ini. Saya dan teman-teman sudah bekerja keras di pertandingan hari ini dan alhamdulillah hasil juga maksimal. Ya tentunya tim dan semua ingin mencapai hasil yang terbaik di 3 tahun ini. Semoga di pertandingan berikutnya bisa mendapatkan hasil yang maksimal.
But I think next season the goals will again be that you have to do better than the year before.
Kalau musim depan tentunya targetnya adalah lebih baik daripada musim ini.
Don't forget that the club exists 3 years.
Jangan lupa Dewa umurnya 3 tahun.
On the highest level.
Di level tertinggi.
You see now also teams in Indonesia. 1 year they are champion.
Lihat tim di Indonesia 1 tahun juara.
And the next year they will be number 8 or 9.
Kadang mereka habis itu mereka jadi nomor 8, 9.
And I think that the bosses and leaders of our club, they try to build the fundament.
Bos dan pemimpin kita coba bikin fundamen dasar.
With structure.
Dengan struktur.
And from there,
dari situ,
you slowly start to perform.
Pelan-pelan kita akan perform.
And then at the end you create, of course, like Bandung is now with a history, and Persija is with a big history. So rebuilding the history of Dewa, and that's a difficult task.
Lama-lama bikin sejarah seperti Persib, Persija.
Only it means that next year we have the ambition to do it better again.
Jadi musim depan harus lebih baik daripada musim ini.
And that means that at the moment we end top 4 this year.
Artinya kalau kita misalnya 4 besar,
then I think next year you have to aim to be champion.
Berarti kita harus juara.
And the depth of the squad is also part of that.
Kedalaman skuad ya ada hubungannya dengan itu.
Yeah, there will be more competition.
Akan ada kompetisi lebih.
But Cristiano Ronaldo in Manchester United also gets substitution.
Tapi Cristiano Ronaldo juga diganti pas dia main di MU.
And if you want to have more,
kalau kita mau lebih,
you will have more competition between players.
Akan lebih banyak kompetisi antar pemain.
Yeah, and that's being a part of a top club in Indonesia.
Itu bagian dari top club di Indonesia.
Tentunya,
of course,
saling percaya dengan teman satu sama lain.
I believe
kita tahu pemain dari yang sekarang seperti apa,
you guys know,
memaksimalkan
quality player this year.
Pemain-pemain yang sekarang ada.
We can maximize also their contribution.
Saling support satu sama lain.
The key is we support each other. Only that.
But you can see the way he scored the goal.
Lihat bagaimana cara dia cetak gol.
I think 1 year ago.
1 tahun lalu.
And there were not spectators today.
Ya, walaupun gak ada penonton hari.
But the spectators already hide.
Penonton akan berlindung takut.
Because he tried to shoot as fast as possible.
Karena dia akan shoot kencang.
But most of all, he killed somebody who's behind the goal.
Biasanya sih ada yang kena belakang gawang.
And that's his growth. Because now
ini dia lebih baik lagi.
He gained the overview, and that's the biggest compliment he can give himself.
Dan ini adalah pujian terbesar yang bisa dia dapat. Sekarang dia udah lebih baik, berubah.
Post-match press conference dari Dewa United FC. Diakhiri dari Diego Sian, terima kasih juga Bapak. Terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.